Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are reviewing another product by AmazerBath, but this is a shower caddy. It's wall mounted, one piece. This is black. So you guys may have seen the other ones that we have done. Now I personally like to use these for more than just showers. So this is what this one looks like. Just a little basket. They have all your installing brackets on here as well. And they also have these hooks that I believe allow you, let's see if it goes over here. Yes. So they have these hooks that you can place on like that, or probably even down, even down there to hang something. And what's nice about these hooks is you can hang stuff from it. And so you can use this as a shower caddy. You know, basically you put it in the shower and you put your soaps and stuff on it. Or something that they probably didn't design it for, but I actually like using their products for, is you can put it on your walls, in your workstation, in your office. You can put it all over, so many different places. And you can put your sticky notes in here. You can do so much different things with their products for this, and it's just sticks on the wall. That's it. So for this, you go ahead, you line this up, try and even it out. You push it down in here like that, and this one is a spare. So when this eventually stops getting as sticky, you have a spare one. So you have this one. And you can stick it on the side, you know, either side, whatever works for you. Again, that's for a shower. I'll show you guys. All right, guys, now we are in our laundry room. So not our laundry room, but one of our spare closets. And we're gonna go ahead and mount this. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. Their products are amazing for multi-use. So we're gonna hang it right about here. And now all you do is just apply pressure, and you make sure you put pressure the whole way on the sticky pad, the whole way through. So what I like doing, lift it up, apply pressure. Again, guys, you have many uses for this, including what it's actually made for. But now check this out, my friends. Check this out. Now we go ahead and we can place our hooks right on here. And if we want anything, well, not those, but for this stuff, now we have our separate selection, and we can hang stuff on top just like this. And now it saves us room. Guys, overall, seriously, so many uses